Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to nuke a Discord server. So to get started, go ahead and tap on the Discord application, and once you are inside Discord application, you will be appeared with this type of screen interface on your mobile phone. Now go to the server section. So in order to nuke a Discord server, go to Google Chrome and in the search box type in xenon bot and hit the enter. Now click on the first link that appears. Now click on the invite option and now click on continue and then authorize it. Once it's done, confirm that you are a woman and your xenon bot will be invited to your Discord server. Now go back to Discord server. There you can see the same bot has already been added to a server, and in the message box type in /template load and add the same word I have added here, RVQKPKXQZSNQ, in the same way I have written, and send it. Now here you can see what you want xenon to load from the backup. As there you can see it has given many options. Hit the continue option, confirm it. Now once refresh it and see that your Discord server has been nuked and it has started all over again. I hope this video is helpful for you. If so, then please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in another upload. Goodbye till then.